Hey guys, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video I will show you a top promo codes on SeatGeek. So let us now talk about the SeatGeek and their promo codes. So how do you get those? So first you want to go to their official SeatGeek offers. So they're actually regularly SeatGeek regularly publishes legit codes on their official promo code page, and then like SeatGeek 10 for $10 off purchases over $150 made via the app. And then their blog or app and email newsletter also shares exclusive deals. Turning on push notification could land you app only promos. So I suggest you download their app and then turn on your notification to have you notified their promo codes via application. There are also referral programs. So if you invite friends via SeatGeek referral system, they receive $20 off their first purchase, and then you earn $10 credit after they buy. Then they also have coupon aggregator websites. So sites like Gather, XP, and Ticket Blog frequently update SeatGeek codes and deals. And the last one is my favorite, which is Reddit. Reddit lets you have these sources of codes, which lets you interact with other people who also uses SeatGeek, which is why my favorite, because you can just interact with them and then have regular updates of their codes. So that's it of how to acquire codes with your SeatGeek.